In the 1850s, the Spanish government established the Lazareto de Mariveles, where foreign ships with cargoes and passengers were checked before allowed entry into Manila Bay. Passengers with cholera, typhoid, and leprosy were quarantined in this area. In 1902, the American regime built the first quarantine station in the Philippines, where the Lazareto stood and named Mariveles Quarantine Station. In 1942, the Mariveles Quarantine Station was destroyed during the Japanese occupation, and the ruins now remain as mute witness to the war. In the year 1949, through the Philippine Reparation Act, the buildings of the quarantine station were rehabilitated. In 1955, groundwork for the conversion of the quarantine to an extension of the NMH was started through the efforts of then-Chief Dr. Jose Fernandez after consulting the then Mariveles Mayor, Silvestre Iraola. Initially, the people of Mariveles detested the idea. Through the dialogues conducted by these two key persons, with the concurrence of then-Quarantine Director Dr. Jesus Azurin, the first batch of mental patients were transferred with the Hospital Support Group, staff, and personnel in July 1955. During the development stage, NMH physicians were sent by rotation to look after the patients in the former quarantine, which was named National Mental Hospital Extension Service. In 1959, Dr. Virey, then Chief of NMH, was sent to London for further training in psychiatry. Dr. Lamberto Iraola, one of the resident psychiatrists in NMHES, was designated OIC of the said hospital. In 1960, the hospital was closed as ordered by then Secretary of Health Dr. Elpidio Valencia. Patients were sent back to NMH in Mandaluyong, and the former quarantine stood unused. The Secretary of Health, Dr. Floro Dabu, formed a group comprised by Dr. Ben Lingad from DOH, Mr. Malian de Guzman, Mr. Pedro Valencia, and again Dr. Lamberto Iraola, all three from the NMH. This group were sent to Mariveles for a feasibility study of bringing back the NMHES, and on December 20, 1963, the return of NMHES was formally inaugurated. The year 1978 ushered the transfer of administrative and technical supervision to Regional Health Office No. 3, known as Mariveles Mental Hospital. Six years after, in 1984, the hospital was turned over to the Central Luzon Regional Hospital, which then became the Mariveles Mental Ward. In 1988, administration of the hospital was transferred to Bataan Provincial Health Office. 3 years after, in 1993, and later devolved with the Integrated Public Health Office by virtue of RA 7160. 3 years after, in 1996, renationalization of MMW under the Jose B. Lingad Memorial Hospital. In 2001, Mariveles Mental Ward was turned over to Bataan General Hospital for administration. On July 2008, by virtue of license granted by the Department of Health, Center for Health Development 3, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, Mariveles Mental Ward is now recognized as Mariveles Mental Hospital. Mariveles Mental Hospital serves as the principal mental health care provider for the provinces of Northern and Central Luzon.
2012 Red Orchid Award.
2013 Red Orchid Award.
2014 Red Orchid Hall of Fame. ISO 9001-2008 certification. 2015 ISO recertification received, projects approved.
2016 ISO Second Surveillance passed, recognition for contribution to APEC 2015 Summit, Most Compliant Agency, DOH Best Performance Category, projects ongoing.
The staff of the Mariveles Mental Hospital would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to these men and women who supervised and led us to what we have achieved since 1955. Dr. Lamberto Iraola, Dr. Efren Reyes, Dr. Rolando Banzon, Director Ricardo Trinidad, Dr. Ladislao Yuchongco, Dr. Ricardo Gonzalez, Dr. Venus Galang, Yusek Ethelyn Nieto, Dr. Venancio Banzon, Dr. Eduardo Valencia, Director Jovencio Orduna, Director Cecilia Polino, Dr. Manuel Ponce, Director Rio Magpantay, and Director Leonita Gorgolon.